Imagine if one small change at breakfast or dinner could help your brain stay quick, calm, and focused after 60. Your brain is almost 60% fat by weight, and it runs better on the right kinds of fat, especially omega-3s. These special fats help your brain's wiring stay flexible, so signals move smoothly. Today, I'll guide you through 8 easy grocery store foods rich in omega-3s, how to enjoy them safely, and simple meal ideas you can make in minutes. As you listen, think about which one you already like, because the best choice is the one you'll actually eat. Omega-3s come in a few forms: EPA and DHA. Mostly in fish, are ready for your body to use. ALA, found in plants like walnuts, chia, and flax, can convert to EPA and DHA, though only a little does. After 60, our bodies may absorb fats less efficiently, appetite can dip, and low-grade inflammation tends to creep up. Omega-3s help balance that. A realistic food-first target is 2 servings of fatty fish per week, plus a small daily plant source. No perfection required, just steady, doable habits you can repeat. Let's make this real with 8 practical foods and exactly how to use them. First, canned salmon with the bones. It's budget-friendly, shelf-stable, and rich in DHA and EPA. Those soft bones add calcium, which your bones and teeth will appreciate. Drain a can, stir in a spoon of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, chopped celery, and a pinch of salt and pepper. If you prefer a gentler flavor mix, half salmon with half Greek yogurt. Add dill and enjoy it with whole grain crackers or tucked into lettuce cups. Second, sardines packed in olive oil. Tiny fish, big payoff, high in omega-3s and naturally low in mercury. Mash them with lemon-cracked black pepper and a dab of mustard. Spread on warm, whole-grain toast, top with tomato or cucumber, and add fresh herbs. If the flavor feels strong, that bright squeeze of citrus makes a world of difference. Third, mackerel. Choose Atlantic or Pacific varieties. It's rich and satisfying, perfect for a quick dinner. Brush fillets with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of paprika. Broil for 6 to 8 minutes, then finish with lemon. Serve with leafy greens and a baked sweet potato. One important note: limit king mackerel due to mercury. Stick with the milder, safer varieties. Fourth, trout. Rainbow or lake trout. Both have a mild taste many people enjoy. Season with salt, pepper, and herbs. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 12 to 15 minutes until it flakes easily. Pair with green beans and new potatoes. Trout is an excellent way to get DHA without a fishy flavor. Fifth, omega-3 eggs. When hens are fed flax or algae, their eggs contain more DHA. They cook quickly and fit any meal. Soft scramble with spinach and chives, or make a veggie omelet with mushrooms and a sprinkle of goat cheese. For those who prefer gentler flavors, omega-3 eggs are an easy on-ramp. Sixth, walnuts. These bring ALA plus helpful antioxidants. A small handful, about 1 ounce, adds crunch to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Keep walnuts in a cool, dark cabinet or in the refrigerator to protect their delicate oils and flavor. Consistency beats quantity here. Just a small daily sprinkle adds up. Seventh, chia seeds. They're ALA-rich and packed with fiber for steady energy. Stir 1 to 2 tablespoons into yogurt or overnight oats. Or whisk chia with the milk of your choice, a drop of vanilla and berries, then chill for 30 to 60 minutes. Many people find chia gentle on the stomach and pleasantly filling. Eighth, ground flaxseed. Another easy ALA source that disappears into almost anything. Ground is absorbed better than whole, so buy it. Ground or grind it fresh. Store it in the fridge. Add a tablespoon to oatmeal smoothies or even pancake batter. It brings a mild, nutty taste without changing your recipes. If you want variety, anchovies or herring are excellent fish night swaps, and hemp seeds are a simple plant day sprinkle. The goal is not to eat everything at once, it's to rotate a few favorites you'll keep around. Let's talk safety and comfort, because how you eat matters. For mercury and sourcing, favor salmon, sardines, trout, and Atlantic or Pacific mackerel. Limit high mercury fish like king mackerel, sharks, and tilefish. If you take blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder, keep portions moderate and let your clinician know about bigger diet changes. Food amounts described here are generally safe for most people, but your personal health comes first. For digestion, start with small portions and choose baked, broiled, or poached fish. Skip deep-fried options. Lemon or a bit of fresh ginger can tame fishy notes and support comfort. If fish is off the table for you, focus on omega-3 eggs, walnuts, chia, and ground flax every day. And for freshness, keep nuts and seeds sealed and cool. Refrigerate ground flax and brighten canned fish with fresh herbs, lemon, or a spoon of yogurt. Now picture a simple week that supports your brain without complicated cooking. For breakfast, you might enjoy oatmeal topped with a tablespoon of ground flax, fresh blueberries, and a few walnut pieces. Another morning, soft scramble omega-3 eggs with spinach and serve with whole grain toast. Or build a quick chia yogurt bowl, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia, add strawberries, and let it sit while you make coffee. At lunch, try sardine toast sardines mashed with lemon and mustard on whole grain bread layered with sliced cucumber. Or mix canned salmon with Greek yogurt, dill, celery, and lemon. Scoop into lettuce cups, or enjoy with hearty crackers. Keep it bright and fresh so lunch feels light, not heavy. For dinner, sheet pan trout is your friend. Toss asparagus and baby potatoes with olive oil, garlic, and lemon. Add trout fillets and roast until tender. Another night, broil mackerel with paprika and pepper and serve with a side salad dressed in walnut vinaigrette. And remember, breakfast for dinner works beautifully: omega-3 eggs, folded with mushrooms and herbs with cherry tomatoes on the side. For snacks and simple sweets, choose a small handful of walnuts and a crisp apple, a creamy chia pudding made with your favorite milk and berries, or a smoothie blended with milk or yogurt, frozen berries, a tablespoon of ground flax, and a pinch of cinnamon. These are easy, satisfying ways to keep omega-3 steady without overthinking it. To keep momentum, set a gentle weekly rhythm. Aim for 2 fish meals, say Tuesday and Friday, and add 1 plant omega-3 each day. Walnuts, chia, or flax. Keep omega-3 eggs in the fridge so breakfast or breakfast for dinner is always ready. Little systems make healthy choices automatic. Let's bring it home. Your brain loves steady care. 2 simple habits can make a real difference after 60. Enjoy 2 fish meals per week for ready-to-use EPA and DHA, and add a daily plant source: walnuts, chia, or ground flax for extra support. Start with the food you already like. Maybe that's a can of salmon and a bag of walnuts, or a dozen omega-3 eggs and a jar of chia seeds. Small steps repeated become powerful. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 8 foods will you try this week? Share your pick in the comments so we can learn from each other's ideas. And if this helped you feel more confident about nutrition for a sharper brain after 60, subscribe for more simple, senior-friendly guidance on food, movement, sleep, and joyful living. Take good care, and I'll see you next time.